Is it true, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, that you do not serve my gods or worship the gold image which I have set up? I will give you one more chance to bow down and worship the image which I have made. If you refuse, you will be cast immediately into the middle of a blazing furnace! And who is the god who will deliver you from my hands?
Nebuchadnezzar, we have no need to answer you in this matter.
Our God, whom we serve, is able to deliver us from the burning fiery furnace.
And he will deliver us from your hand, O king.
But even if he does not, we want to make it clear to you, your majesty, that we will never serve your gods or worship the gold statue you have set up.
Then heat the furnace to 7 times its usual temperature! Take them, now!